I want to share some features for RV Life Trip Wizard that I feel will improve the way that you plan trips. And guess what? I use these features all the time. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. The first feature we're going to talk about is maps. This map features terrain. When you're inside Trip Wizard, just click map settings and then map style. This helps you get an idea of the elevation that you're going to be driving through, and if you need to, you can plan around it. This is in addition to the elevation at the bottom of your map when you're planning a trip. The terrain map shows you the elevation of the entire map. This gives you an idea of the elevation in that area. It's very handy. The next really neat feature is Street View. This goes beyond just dropping a pin and looking around. Here you actually have the ability to move the camera forward and backward. You can use this with the first feature we talked about, as in this example of going through Monteagle, Tennessee. There are signs that show you the grade. And in one way of looking at it, you're driving the route before you even get there.
6% grade next 3 miles.
I don't know why anybody would say no to having more information. And the final feature for this video is about the filters. Filters are something that we use quite often when we're trying to find certain things, but did you know it goes even further than that? In Trip Wizard, you have the ability to filter gas stations, state parks, but it also allows you to filter by campground type. And remember, when you're looking at ratings of campgrounds, it may not have been great for them, but it will be amazing for you. This is where, going into the campground side of it, you can read the actual reviews from people who have stayed there. And again, more information. RV Life Trip Wizard puts this information right there in front of you. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite features are. Maybe feature suggestions for a future video. Leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.